How to turn off notifications on Zangi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply turn off notification. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. So this is the section where you'll be able to find the notification settings. Here, as you can see, there's notifications. Tap on it. So here, there's the customization of notification. So you can select whatever you want to uncheck it. So here on the first option, it's chats. So you can customize however you like and you can turn off whatever that you want. So here are different options available. So here I'm turning them off and now it's done. So if you go back, the messages won't pop up and these notifications will also not come. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.